What if someone rings your doorbell and you're not home? Don't you want to see what's going on? Let's look at this product. Welcome back to Get Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Botslab Video Doorbell Elite. This doorbell comes with a solar panel, so it's got continuous power. Two-way communication, solar power, and being able to see what's going on. Well, as you know, in every episode of Get Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. You're watching Get Tech Cheap. Let's take a look at the Botslab Video Doorbell Elite. This is the R810SE right here. Very, very nice packaging on this. Wow. This looks nice and clean and professional. Well, let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this user guide right here and contact information. So all that support you need and a little extra help right there with the user guide. Looks like we got some cool stickers here. Please ring the doorbell. Express takeout. Please put under the doorbell. Very, very cool. Looks like we got a quick start guide here that is included. So all that information you need to get the most out of this is going to be included, including setup and everything. So make sure you check this out. This is the actual doorbell chime right here, and it looks like you can get this in different kind of setups, so EU and things like that. We have the American one right here, but you're able to pop that in. Got some antennas on it right here, but this is what makes the actual chime of the doorbell. Looks like we have this little SIM card, a micro SD little pusher hole thingy right here, so that'll definitely help because sometimes you just can't get nothing in that little hole. Part of the screws and the mounting stuff that you'll need to actually set up the doorbell, so very nice. Looks like we got a USB-C to USB-A cable that's included too. We have a sticker here which will help you with the mounting of it. This way you kind of have the screw holes pre-aligned, everything ready to go. The mounting system right here too, so you can actually set it up to be at an angle, or you can just do it flat. But right here, as you see, you can do the 3M tape, or you can just drill the holes in and mount it with screws. And the reason you're here, check this thing out. Remove those little stickers there. We know you guys love to see it. You're welcome, guys. This thing looks awesome. It definitely feels high quality. Looks like it's super simple to just set up and mount right there. Got part of the buttons there. Wow, look at that. This thing just looks great. And also with this one, you do get the solar power panel right here. So very, very cool, easy installation. All that info is in here. Let's open it up. You do get the user manual, which is included. Again, right there with the easy setup video. You can scan that QR code and their contact information. Another user guide QR code right here as well, and additional information on the back. Stuff about setting up the app and everything that you need. Stuff about setting up the app and everything, and then more contact information there. You get part of the water resistance plug right here just to make sure it's more weatherproof. You get a couple of these little 3M cable clips right here just to make sure everything looks all nice and tidy. All of the mounting screws and everything you need there to set up the panel. And finally, the solar panel itself. So look at this. Wow, so many little panels on this. It looks so nice. And look at that. It's so simple. So really what you're going to do is just install this into the wall wherever you need it. And then you can tilt this based on what gives you the most optimum sunlight. And of course, as you see, it is USB-C. Very, very nice. But let's go get it set up and try it out. This is the Botslab 2K doorbell camera wireless with solar panel. 2K resolution with head-to-toe view. Enjoy unmatchable visibility with 180 degrees of diagonal field of view. Capable of capturing packages, visitors, and family members, children's pets, and all in a single frame. It's paired with a 2K resolution, ensuring you don't miss anything, helping you always stay confident in understanding the front door situation. Continuous power supply, so it keeps the video doorbell running without frequent removal for battery recharging. Reducing maintenance hassle ensures your doorbell stays online for uninterrupted protection and ultimate peace of mind. And it's eco-friendly solar charging for sustainable living. No subscription fees and secure storage, 48 hours of free cloud storage, which can be further expanded with the micro SD, but that's not included. Optional subscription plans are available for premium features and expanding cloud storage, but keep in mind that 48 hours of free cloud storage is included. It's a video doorbell with Botslab IQ, intelligent notifications so you can identify visitors and send detailed descriptive messages so you know exactly what's going on without having to open the app. Intelligent search that helps you find people, vehicles, or objects in historical footage in 1 second. Two-way audio so
the doorbell camera includes two-way communication, so you can see and talk to visitors anytime, anywhere, and prevent intruders, guide delivery, all from the Botslab app. And with that enhanced customer support and service, you get to enjoy an extra 6-month warranty on top of the original 12 months. Keep in mind you need to activate that in the app with free replacement for quality issues. Essential accessories are available through customer service. Any questions about the product can be directed to Botslab via Amazon Messages, and all inquiries will be promptly addressed through 24/7 customer support. Another fantastic product from Botslab. Of course, they're doing it big and doing it great. I gotta say, Botslab, wow, great job.
As you know, we've worked with Botslab in the past, and their products are always so nice. Not only is the video high quality, the actual products are high quality. So we've got to give a huge shout out to Botslab for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.